All right, so I have a little bit of an issue here with this door. The top of the door has a 1/2 inch reveal here and maybe an 1/8 over here. The trim is tight, the trim looks good, and there's a good reveal all the way across between the jamb and the trim, the casing. So what that means is that this was assembled just with a header that was not level. The way to fix this is just to gently remove the casing. We'll get a look at the jamb and hopefully have a little bit of room with the jamb to just drop it. And I think it may just take just a little bit. You can see someone tried to fiddle with the strike plate to make it work. So that's basically the distance needed to make this work, which is about a little more than 1/4 inch. And the big risk is, as you pull this off, the latex, you get a big old strip of it that rips back into the good paint. And then you're going, what just happened? Get my chisel in there. And then you can use one of these other little flat bar guys just to gently kind of wiggle it out. All right, so here I got the trim off and the level here. So if I correct it, I'm coming down. Yeah, it's quite a bit out. And that should be tight. So again, it's just out of whack. I'm gonna mark a quick reference here to see where I'm started. And I probably want to be about there. So let's see what I can do. Oh, there we go. The other side, just close it. This was what was there for a shim, which is just too much. So I have some thinner shims. I'm gonna try to get them in there and kind of finagle stuff back where I want. I'm just gonna work the reveal all the way up. That looks just 100% better. And right now, after those adjustments, you can see even the tail just right on the money. Let's see, yeah, 30 years. And it was a pretty tight joint. So I'm gonna just trim off some of these nails here and then put a new bit of glue on there, put it back together. All right, you got your tight bond, type 3, probably overkill. Just a squish. Sometimes just to visualize when you go to the saw, you can make just a little mark on the area you want to remove. Trim back in. And now the reveal on the top is pretty nice. A little bit of paint up there. That's it. That's all we need. Good to go. All done.